This is the elevator at the World Trade Center MBTA station. Oh, look at that button. Let's take it down to G and GR.
Subject to video surveillance.
I think this is MontgomeryKONE.
Big Brother's watching. Oh, underground.
Annoying buzzer. Oh, windows on the doors. You gonna wait for me out here?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, door closes instantly. Arrow's messed up. Just your basic transit system style elevator. What's that sound? Innovation security fixtures. And, oh, phone's over here. And here's the other set of buttons. 125 feet per minute, 3,500 pound capacity. Let's take this up to 2. Wow, that's... door closes instantly. Alright, let's go back down to G and wrap it up. Yeah, GR's locked. Bang! We'll look out the doors this time. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. And here we are.
Oh, we go. Here.
That's so fast, MontgomeryKONE. And there it goes in. That goes circle line button out here. And that'll be it.